This adult coloring book has generated over $200,000 in sales and is currently bringing in over $4,000 per month in revenue. And if we take a look at this Amazon seller's storefront, we can see that they have multiple books making well over $2,000 to $5,000 per month. So what would you do with $20,000 a month in passive income? In this free course, I will show you how to create a similar business starting from creating the book idea, creating the illustrations, and selling the book, all using the power of AI technology. You don't have to have any experience or creative skills to do this. If you want to make passive income to replace your full-time job, make sure you watch the entire video because this video is packed with valuable content that you won't find anywhere else. The best part of this strategy is once the books are created, the products will continue to make money while you sleep. Now you can estimate how much a product is making by taking a look at the number of reviews it has and multiplying it by the sales price. But this will not give you the most accurate estimate because many people make purchases and they never leave a review. By using a simple tool like Jungle Scout, we can browse through products on Amazon to see exactly how much revenue they are generating per month. Now we can get an accurate idea of the revenue for the products that have a low review count, especially since this is where we're going to be starting out in the beginning. You can get a discount on Jungle Scout using the link below. As you can see, Jungle Scout is showing that this book has had 452 sales in the past 30 days for about $3,700 in revenue. This coloring book has 1 rating. The book was published on December 29th and it was made available to purchase on January 5th. It looks like it didn't even get its first sale until January 21st and it sold 9 books. And then it dropped to 8 per day and then it started to increase to over 10 per day. It's now bringing in almost $1,500 a month in revenue and it's only been 2 months. This is proof that even products that have a low number of reviews that were just launched are still making passive income that's worth pursuing. Amazon KDP is a print-on-demand service with higher profit margins because there is no storage space being taken up by your product. You can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. All you need to do is create a PDF of your coloring book using AI tools, upload the PDF to Amazon KDP. This will result in an Amazon listing being created with your new coloring book available for purchase. Once a customer completes a purchase, Amazon will print the coloring book, pack it, and ship it on your behalf. You will keep 60% of each sale minus the printing cost, which are extremely low with Amazon. If you're finding any of this information helpful, please like the video as this does support the channel and let me know that you guys are benefiting from this free content. In order to find a successful product to sell, you want to find out what people are buying and understand what they like about it and what they don't like about it. Customer likes plus dislikes equals your new improved product. We can find a product that people already like and make it even better. When you search adult coloring book, you get over 50,000 results. This is too broad, so we need to find a way to niche down a bit. So let's search for adult coloring books with dogs. This product has over 1,600 ratings. The book itself is bringing in a monthly revenue of $5,600. Let's read some of the positive and negative reviews to see how we can improve this product. Some negative reviews show that people felt a little misled over what they were actually getting. The cover of the book does not look anything like the pictures that are actually inside the book, so we can definitely improve that. Multiple people are suggesting thicker paper because markers bleed through to the next picture, so I already have an idea on how we can fix that. Overall, people really love this product. Many of the positive reviews say that it's a great gift for dog lovers, and if we take a look at the keywords using Jungle Scout, gifts for dog lovers seems to be one of the top ranking keywords for this book. Let's create a better version of this coloring book, starting with ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with how to use ChatGPT, check out this video here for a brief 5-minute tutorial on everything that you need to know. The coloring book we're making is going to be about 50 pages. We're going to ask ChatGPT to create a list of 50 popular dog breeds. Once we have the list, it's time to bring these images to life using the AI tool Midjourney. The pictures that you see here were all created by this AI tool, so let me show you how I did it. In order to sell these images, you will need to use the paid version of Midjourney so you can get the commercial license, which is only $10 per month. To sign up for Midjourney, you will need to create a free Discord account. Once logged in, you have the option to use the free version, but this version will limit the amount of images that you can create, and you can't sell the images. In addition to that, the free version will place you in a group where everyone can see the images that you're creating. Once you enter a paid version for $10 per month, you are able to download more images and you can create a private room to create your images that no one else can see. To use a prompt, start with /imagine. You'll need to give the AI tool a description of what you want to create. So we'll use coloring page for adults, mandala dog image, white background, clean line art, fine line art, AR 2:3. The AR stands for aspect ratio, which tells the AI what size the image needs to be to fit the page you need. A 2:3 ratio is perfect for a standard sheet of paper that is 8.5 by 11 inches. The AI will produce 4 images. Underneath the images, you will have U1, U2, U3, and U4. This is the upscale to full resolution button. If we determine you like the image in the top right, you will click U2 to upscale that one image to download. The V is for variation. This will create more variety of that particular picture. I like this picture, so we're going to upscale it and then click on the picture to save it to a folder. Repeat this process for every page in your book. Now we are going to create the coloring book using the free website Canva. Click Create Design and create a custom project using 8.5 by 11 inches. The first thing we're going to do is create the This Belongs To page. This is pretty easy to do using the tools inside Canva. Next, we will start uploading the images we created in Midjourney. Once you have your images uploaded, just click on the image and it will appear on the page. Make it larger, center it, and add a border. Then click Add Page, but leave this blank. Amazon uses thin paper for their printing service, and customers have complained about markers bleeding through to the next picture. So we're going to leave every other page blank for our customers who want to use markers. Once you have uploaded all of your images, go to Share, Download, and select PDF Print. In order to get the best image quality for printing, you will need to use CMYK as the color profile. This does require the Canva Pro subscription, which is $12.99, but there is a link to a free trial in the description below. Now we need to create the cover using Amazon KDP Cover Calculator. Select paperback, black and white paper, page turn left to right, measurements are 8.5 by 11, and update the page count. In this case, it looks like we need our cover to be 7.34 by 11.25 inches. Let's pop back over to Midjourney to make the cover page art. The prompt I used is dog, multicolor, mandala, aspect ratios 2:3. So I like the top right and the bottom left, but let's make a variation of the third one and see what that gives us. My only concern with this one is how blurry the bottom looks. So I used the upscale beta button and got this sharper version. And I like this one too because it looks like this was actually colored with colored pencil. Head back over to Canva to create the cover page. Input the cover page dimensions and create the new design. Upload the cover page from Midjourney, drag it to the right, and scale it to fit half of the page. Click the top left color scale, select the color picker tool, and click on the black part of the background and it will match the color to the left side of the page. Next, let's add some text to the front page. You can put a background on the text if you feel like it's hard to read. Bring down the opacity just a bit. On the back, we'll give an example of what's inside the book as well as a brief description. This just gives the customer an idea of what they're going to get. Don't put anything too close to the bottom right, as this is where Amazon is going to place their barcode. The last step is to head over to Amazon KDP to upload the book. Click on Create, select Paperback, and this is where you'll add all the details of your book. For the description, head back over to ChatGPT and request a description for your book. Fill everything else out, hit Save, and Continue. You can get a free ISBN from Amazon, but this means that you can only sell this book on Amazon. So if you want to sell on Amazon as well as other marketplaces, then you will need your own ISBN. Then select black and white interior, no bleed, and glossy finish. Then upload the interior pages, then upload your book cover. You can click Launch Preview to get an example of what your book looks like. Here, you can just make sure that you are within the parameters that Amazon requires to actually print your book. Once you approve it, then you can get the estimated print cost. And in this case, it's $2.15 to print each book. So let's just do some quick math here. If we sell at the same price as our competitor for $12.99, then subtract the 40% that Amazon keeps, that's $7.80. Then we subtract the printing cost of $2.15, and we are left with a profit of $5.64 per sale. If we can make 10 sales a day, that's $56.40 a day, which comes out to almost $1,700 per month and net profit on one book. If you made it this far into the video and you guys would like to see a case study on selling this book on Amazon, please let me know in the comments below and subscribe to the channel to follow the journey to see how it goes. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you guys did enjoy or get any value from watching this video. And again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we are teaching you how to get to full-time freedom, creating a life on your own terms, making money online in various ways. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get yourself started, and I'll see you in the next video.